Hello awesome people, in this video I will show you how to enable renew and how does it work. Very fast let's check what can we want to achieve through this video. So go to the my account page and click on my listing. My listing, and just you can see gray angelfish and this listing has been expired. I want to renew it, so click this three dot and you can see promote, edit, delete and mark as sold, but the renew option is not available here. So very fast we have to show renew here, then we will be able to renew it. So go to the admin dashboard and go to the classified listing settings. Navigate to the moderation tab, click on it, then go to down and you can see renew listing, enable, uncheck, and just you have to check this box, click and check this box, just go down and save changes. Then go to the my account page and you can see renew is not showing here, so just refresh the page, then again click on this three dot, then you can see the renew option is showing here. So just if you want to renew this listing, click on it, renew. Are you sure? Yes, I want to renew it, so click on OK. Then again refresh the page. Okay, now you can see the listing has been renewed and you can see publish instead of expired. Thank you watching for the video, and you can check my YouTube channel. I have added lots of tutorial on Classima or Classified listing website and WordPress as well. Thanks again watching for the video.